Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. Sometimes your computer starts to feel slow, or the screen doesn't look right. Maybe games don't run well, or things take longer to load. When that happens, it usually means your drivers need an update. Updating them helps your computer work better and fix small problems. First, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Device Manager. When it appears, click on it to open the Device Manager window. Here, you'll see a list of all the hardware connected to your computer. Now click on Display Adapters to expand it. This shows the graphics drivers on your PC. Right-click on your driver name, and then select Update Driver from the menu. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will start checking for the latest version and install it automatically if one is available. Once it's done, you'll see a message showing that the driver has been updated. After that, if you have another display driver listed, right-click on it too. Again, select Update Driver, and then click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish. It only takes a few moments. When both drivers are updated, close the Device Manager window. Now go back and restart your computer to make sure all updates are applied properly. After restarting, your PC should run smoother, and your display will look better with the latest drivers installed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.